Then you can start machine. Put the products into the conveyor first. One product at the first, okay? Then press start. Now, no products, the machine will stop, the fuel will stop, and the sealing gel will stop, but the bell will move. You can put your hand one time to check the position, whether it's right. Now you can check, might be cut the products, but no. Now you can check, it's a little bit more. Maybe about, you can go back to the touch skin to jog to make it seal. Seal means the feel forward. Oh, you need to stop the machine first. Okay? Then you jog, go back to jog, then seal forward. And then you go out and go back to run and press reset. You cut the back. Now you can measure it.